Hi. In this video, I will introduce you to the sound and light module for the M41A pulse rifle replicas from the movie Aliens. It is used to animate a static model or toy. There are also a lot of 3D models for 3D printing in which you can use this module. The module is built on an Arduino Nano with several peripherals. These are Arduino Nano manages the orchestration of all components, their states, functions, and logic. DF Player plays sounds at the command of the Arduino. 3-watt speaker. Segment display shows the state of the ammunition magazine and the volume. Rotary encoder with button handles volume adjustment and saving to EEPROM, so the Arduino will remember the volume. LED diode for simulating flashes when firing the rifle. The LED blinks with each shot. LED diode for simulating flashes when firing the grenade launcher. After the shot, the gradual extinguishing of the LED is animated. Rifle firing trigger button. Each press randomly selects one of several gunshot sounds and plays as long as the button is held. Button for exchanging the magazine and cocking the rifle. Button for cocking the rifle. Button for loading or firing the grenade launcher. Step-down converter to 5 volts. Power source, 9 volts battery. A switch that turns the module on or off. Everything needed to build this module can be found on GitHub. The link is in the description below. Let's demonstrate each functionality. After turning on the module, its initialization is accompanied by a display animation and the sound of the weapon being charged. Firing the rifle triggers the ammunition countdown. The firing sound and countdown on the display occur only while the button is held down. Now I'm going to turn up the volume a bit. When the ammunition runs out, you will hear the click of the weapon's bolt. With each subsequent attempt to fire, you will hear the click of the weapon's bolt. In that case, you can use the button to prime the rifle, or use the button to exchange the magazine and prime the rifle. Both buttons will reload the magazine and start the animation showing the magazine being filled. However, each button plays a different sound. The grenade launcher firing button has 2 functions. The first press loads one grenade into the weapon. The next press of the button fires the grenade. When pressed to fire, the firing animation starts at the same time, and a random time is calculated for when the grenade explosion sound will be heard. After this time, the explosion sound will play. Another press loads, then fires, loads, and so on in cycle. You can adjust the volume to adapt the module to the environment where you want to use it. By turning the knob to one side or the other, you increase or decrease the volume. The volume level is displayed on the screen during adjustment. The volume can be changed even during shooting. In such a case, the magazine status display takes priority, and the volume status is not shown. If you want to know the volume level, press the knob. The volume level will be displayed on the screen for a few seconds. The current volume setting can be saved by pressing and holding the volume control knob.
Volume saved.
If you decide to build the module, be sure to read the README MD file in the root of the project on GitHub, in which I have described in detail what components you will need. I have attached a diagram of the connection of the components and 3D models for 3D printing so that you can modify your M41A rifle model. Thanks for watching and enjoy your build.